Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to load or open a Kml or Kmz file to ArcMap software. Open ArcMap software, find Arc Toolbox in the menu bar and open it. In Arc Toolbox, find Conversion tool. Click the plus button next to it. In this tool, find from Kml, open it and click on Kml to layer option in it. In this dialog box, you can convert Kml or Kmz file to layer. Input your Kml file that you have in your laptop or PC. In order to know that how to make a Kml file of your study area, I have already made a video about it. The link is in the description. You can watch it. Select the output location. The ArcMap will load a default place for your file output location, but you can change it if you want. It will take some time to generate the layer from Kml file. Here is your polygon which is loaded to the ArcMap. Right click on the polygon, then data and export data. Click OK and your polygon will be exported as a layer in ArcMap. Now you can label its feature and change its symbology, etc.